Looks like we are live now. Okay, title of the video, you can see crypto banter is wrong. Okay, I usually don't do content like this. I mind my own business, and I was just checking out what people are saying or how they are reacting, and I came across banter. Right. So what did Banter say that got me off? Okay, I just want to show you a few things, what I think that I'm expecting. Let me show you what he said. Okay, his name is Rand Neuner. So let me show you. Okay, let's see his channel. I may get a copyright, but it's okay.
Don't just buy the middle of the curve. Don't just get involved in the middle of the curve. As I said to you, I'm not buying anything yet. I have not released $1 of the money that I want to be investing yet. Why? Tell you why. Very simply. I look at the Bitcoin chart. Here it is.
Rand says he is not buying anything right now. Not even a single dollar. Okay. There are how many views? 70,000 views right now. So all these people are listening to him. So I'm just saying my perspective. Okay. What do I expect? Here, listen to him again.
What do we do? Let's look at a couple of scenarios. Number one, you are in your whole. Then I start selling everything that I've got to. And I say, when the fear and greed drops to levels where people are fearful, that is when I'm going to start buying. That is my ticket to actually start buying. Remember, this is a long-term game. You're not here to catch the bounces. Who cares about the bounce? Let Bitcoin bounce from 63 to 65. That's not what I'm here for. When Bitcoin gets to 50 and the altcoins have capitulated and they're down 50% or 40% or more, and they're so cheap and so juicy, then I start selling everything that I've got to actually buy these altcoins. But now,
it sounds very good right now, right? That Bitcoin comes to $50,000 and I'll buy these altcoins really cheap, right? Do you think these market makers are going to make that happen? What happens every time when retail or majority crowd is looking something somewhere? Do you think all the traders, they have all these Patreon groups, YouTube channels, everyone's saying 72 to 74 is the top, we might get a pullback. Do you think you're going to get a pullback? Yes, you did right now to this level, but I don't think that the pullback to 50,000 is coming right now, and you could be, running short yourself and your audience. Okay, I'm trolling here. I said, wrong move, Rand. Correction will come, but not now. Yes, I do expect a correction in Bitcoin, a big correction, right? But I don't think it's going to happen right now. Let me show you what I think can happen. Okay. So I give $20. Rand, you're welcome. I appreciate every YouTuber, man. Rand runs a great channel, but nobody knows, right? I could be wrong too. I don't want to be cocky, but right now I think this is it. When the candle closes tonight, right, around 8 o'clock, the candle closes, right? And we will see the recovery in next 3 to 4 days. You will see a recovery right here. This is a 4-hour chart. So I see it recover like this. I don't think that we are going any further down. This is it. If we go further than this, then I would get bearish. Okay, but I do think we stop here. I do think we stop here and we do a V recovery. V. It would look like this. Shock everybody. A lot of people will be short, including Rand, and everyone will get destroyed. What's going to happen is in next 2-3 days, Bitcoin will do a rebound to between $68,000 to $69,000. Okay, it would act something like this. Okay, you see that in next few days, it will look like this. where we are sitting around $69,000. And yeah, again, every time the crowd is wrong. Okay, everyone's expecting this huge dip. Do you think the market will give you that? No. The dip will come when nobody is expecting and everyone's bullish and looking on the other side. This is when the dip is going to come, not now. And I came across. Okay, let me see if you're able to see me. Okay, I hope I'm not talking to myself here. Yes. Okay. So that's why I'm saying crypto banter is wrong. We would come back to $68,000 to $69,000, and we would form this pattern. I feel Bitcoin will try to break this, but it won't succeed. And I think we would, stay around in this area between, I would say, 70,000. Maybe the wick goes to $70,000, but we would stay in this vicinity for a long time. I would say a long time in crypto is like 2-3 weeks, right? So how do I expect it to go? I expect Bitcoin to get a arc. If you watch my channel, I believe in arcs. So I expect Bitcoin to act something like this, okay? So we'll have a bottom level and the top level. So on the bottom, here's the bottom. Today we made a bottom right here. So I would not be surprised if Bitcoin jerks us around in this level right here. So in this channel, Bitcoin could, what it could do is make you think, okay, we are going down, boom, one more time, a dip. Goes back up, bam, one more time, right? Every time it goes down, we think, oh, it's going to crash right now. It's going to crash right now. But it goes sideways, sideways, sideways for a long time before it starts to go up. It keeps everyone confused and scared, stays in this range, and keeps on coming back down in the 62,000, 61.5 range, and then goes and makes a new all-time high around between, I would say, $76,000 to $78,000. Okay, another new all-time high. Yes, I am not bearish, guys. I think this is the period when Bitcoin goes sideways. This is when big money in altcoins is going to come. A lot of people will be left behind. Again, I keep on saying, it's not going to be WAGMI. Only few people, only 5% people are going to make it in crypto. And, a lot of people will de-risk. Imagine if a channel like Crypto Banter is bearish right now, if they do risk out, right? People on sidelines. Imagine Bitcoin when it pumps to $69,000. What's going to happen to the altcoins? Okay? They are going to go crazy. Okay? And I'm looking at the altcoin levels. There are several altcoins I'm looking at that. That's it. They're done, man. And we are going up. We are going up. I am bullish AF. Really bullish. Sorry, Ran. I don't want to be disrespectful. I really admire what you do. But I think this time you are wrong, my friend. Wrong. Yes, Crypto Banter is wrong. And we would go up from here. And it starts tonight. Tonight itself, we should go, as the candle closes, we should start recovering today. Okay, we should be around $64,000, $65,000 today itself. And then cruise to 68, between 68 to 69.5. That's the range I'm looking at. And you don't know the final number that I have for Bitcoin. What could happen is that everyone starts to think that $77,000 is the top. Now this is it. this is the top. This is the top. And what can happen? It could be for the short term. It could be a local top. We could correct from here, and people would start talking, oh, we are going to $50,000. We are going to $50,000. And what happens? We go sideways, 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 and then we go hit another high, probably between $81,000 to $83,000. $81,000 to $83,000, another top. And this, my friend, somewhere in May, June, could be the local top. Could be the local top. How long if the wicks go to $100,000, $90,000, then I would think that, it's possible, but I think the weekly or a daily candle would close somewhere around between $83,000 to $82,000. It's possible. As we progress, I will know much better, but this is the rough idea what I expect Bitcoin to do, okay? I expect Bitcoin to go to $68,000 to $69,000 pretty quickly. Between the next 3 to 4 days, we could see Bitcoin doing that. Okay? I don't want the stream to be too long. I just came back just to make sure, my people on YouTube and Patreons and everybody, even Crypto Banter's audience gets a different perspective. Okay? I'm a contrarian. So you have to go against your gut feeling. Okay? When your mind and everything is saying something, you got to think the other way around. Because everybody, every Tom, Dick, and Harry is thinking about this. Oh, I'm going to buy the dip. I'm going to buy the dip. Bitcoin's going to $50,000. No, it's not. It will happen, but not now. Not now. I will put everything on the Patreon, okay? Everything will be on Patreon. There are so many people. There are about 550 million people in crypto. Do you think everybody will make money? No. Money changes hands, and it'll be in our hand this time. We're going to dump on people when the time is right. Not now. Not now. I am buying like a madman right now. Like a mad man. There are cryptos which are going to 2x, 3x, 5x, and 20x within this time frame. Imagine you are sitting outside waiting for the dip, and the dip never happens. What if? You have to be in it to win it. Simple as that. You have to be in it to win it. You can't be on the sidelines and expect to get the 10x, 20x, 30x, 40x, 50x. No. Scared money don't make money. Okay? We talked about this dip yesterday on our live. On our live, we talked about this dip, right? If you go and see this our live from yesterday, you will see it.
What happened after eating grapes? This is what happened after eating pineapple.
Here.
3. That's
Man, these ads.
we have in our firm, S&P Capital.
How's everyone, man? Self oxygen first and then give it to somebody else, right? So I'm focusing right now on making money, ton of money, and I'm helping people who help me, okay? It's not happening till we get another high. I will not be surprised if you get a wick like that here, goes back up, goes sideways, and gets another wick like that, goes up back, and then we go get another high at probably $75,000 or $76,000. Okay. So it wasn't that we weren't expecting this. We were. Just wanted to give you a heads up. Brian, how's everyone? Spiritual Satchar. Oh yeah, the Star Boys. I hope there's some good news, Shray. It is Alex. Let's go. Ready to roar. Daily need. They won't give retail cheap prices anymore. Julio. Follows Shray. What is that? Ripster. Words of wisdom. Love your analysis. I hit the like. Did you? Good, buddy. Brian, Chart Slayer only on ShrayTV. Boom. Us crypto OGs have ice in the veins, baby. Load your bags. Believe in those charts, not the news. Absolutely. I didn't even know what news caused this downturn. I don't look, man. I just believe in the charts. No label, sub bro. Gets crypto. Caesar gets crypto. Buy the dip. William Carroll. Hola, Shray, bloody mess. Don't worry, man. All our patience is going to pay. We're going to be rich AF. Okay? Rich AF. My targets since 16.5 have been 45K, 81K, 134K. Each target dump. Alt season is coming, baby. Yeah, man. Raj. We only believe in ShrayTV, baby. Sham, hey Shray, after a long time to catch you live, you are really great. In the past, you said about BCH formulas and its price analysis. Can you repeat that BCH will reach 20,000 as you said earlier? Kevin, can you look into inverse finance, please? You're getting nervous. I'm awake today. Please, Shray, AGIX. Okay. Let's look at AGIX. He's my Patreon. AGIX. Okay, we got out of this. Okay, we got out of this. So let's do this again. Let's do this again. Okay, something's missing, right? Our music. Our music is missing. I think at some point, you know, yeah, $4 for Singularity is doable. Okay, $4, $3 to $4. I would say, and yeah, it's possible. But as I said, we've been going up constantly, so I'd not be surprised if we get some setback. See, the next level up is, you know, how big we get, bro. It's crazy. The next level is, you know, 2618 is way up at $70. Yeah. Is it possible? Anything is possible in crypto, man. Anything is possible, right? But as of now, first we need to hit this 618. That is at between, I would say, $3 to between $3 to $4. $3 to $4 AGIX. That's where we are heading to. When can we get a correction? Man, you know, I mean, we can come back down to test these. Look. We could come back down to test this. Right there. Okay. Weekly, daily, look. Yeah, we could come back down to this level. I would say 55, 54 cents. 55, 54 cents. Yes, it's possible. Just to say hello one more time, we could come back down to this level before we go up, okay? Just saying. Because we had a very good move. Very, very good move. So I was very bearish on Singularity. I thought we would come back all the way back down, and that didn't happen. See, so that means I'm not always right. You know, I'm not always right. I was expecting Singularity to come all the way back down to 8 cents, possibly, 6 cents, and then go to $4 to $5. It didn't happen that way. It didn't happen that way. See? It left us. My prediction until this area was good. After that, yeah, it wasn't. So this channel here, at $2, we would come under some resistance as well. Okay, $2, $4. Depends on the end of the year. See, the longer it goes, the more we get, $3 to $4. You know, the closer we get to Jan, this channel gets between $3 to $4. Okay, so how's the RSI looking? $91. What about daily? Well, I can't say, bro, you know, but as I say, we could always come back to 54 cents, okay? Because we spend a lot of time here. See, in that range, 48, 50 cents range, we spend a lot of time, and we didn't come for a retest. We went up and didn't even say hello. You know, Singularity is gonna miss these 3 friends. So possible it might come back down to this region before it goes back up. Okay, just saying, I wouldn't like that. I know you got a lot of Singularity, but it's possible. But on a bigger picture, we are looking at between $3 to $4 for Singularity. If we pass that, then man, the moon mission to between $60 to $70. Momo, Shray, BCH still looking good for that. Yeah, absolutely, man. 2.5 to 8K, absolutely. See, as we speak, it started to recover. Bitcoin. Remember, you heard this on ShrayTV, baby. I think Bitcoin's done dropping. And, you know, altcoin is going to go crazy. Imagine, you know, if you're watching this channel, there's a reason, okay? That means it's in your fate to make money, all right? No one can take that money away from you, man. Everything has a reason. Everything is pre-planned, okay? There are no coincidences. This would go like that. Next few days, go back up to between, I would say, 68 to 69.5. That's the range. All right. Sorry to get this ugly looking. I'll make it nice. Okay. That's how I expect Bitcoin to act as of now. Trushan Lal, Shray, like your work, and it's absolutely stunning how you explain. Trushan, thank you, brother. Alex Rodriguez, I will live stream inside the delivery room. Oh man, are you serious? You're having a baby? Congratulations. You think Bitcoin will hold 60K? Bro, it's not gonna go to 60K. This is it. Whatever happened right now, that was the last end of it. If it goes below that, then I get bearish. Okay. If we go below this level, if we go below $59,000 here, even 59.5, this is the level. We go below this, then I turn very bearish. Okay. So we have to change. The chart tells you what's this gonna do. Okay. So if we go below this $59,000 level, then we are going to $41,000. Okay, between $45,000 to $41,000, not 50, not 55, $41,000. Okay, I don't think that happens right now. Nope, not happening. Not happening. They will not make this thing easy, man. Imagine so many people in crypto. How can everybody can be rich? Okay, everybody watches this YouTube videos. Not my channel. My channel is very little, you know. So it's good you are one of the lucky ones. Okay. It's going to be an incredible journey. Okay, a lot of people, so many people right now have their money out. So scared. Oh my God. Oh, my altcoin went 40% down. I cannot breathe. Yeah. Chokers. They will choke. Okay. They'll be out. And suddenly you'll see 100% candle. Wait a week and see what happens. It's going to be crazy. As I said, you know, if it goes down, I am all in right now. Then, you know, let it be. It goes down. Okay. I'm ready to see my portfolio go freaking down. Bring it, baby. Bring it to the ground. Okay. Because this bull market, okay, this is bull market. Dips are going to be there. If somebody's not able to handle the dips, then they don't deserve the 10x. They don't deserve the 5x. They're pussies. All right. Crypto is for Vikings. Ethan Invest. Nice Momo. YouTube algorithm never seemed to pick up your channel to recommend. Found it from Ethan Invest. Thank God. Ethan, thank you, brother. I appreciate it. Well, I don't think we are going down. We will go down, but not now. Not now. Every Joe Schmo is thinking we're going down. No, we are not going down right now. We're going up. And Bitcoin, this is where the money transfers from Bitcoin into altcoins. Right now, see, as I said, money just goes from one place to another. Money will come into altcoin. This is a transition period. The sideways action for Bitcoin is very good for altcoins. And once you're out of the position, you're out, man. Right now, you don't mess around. You know, you go out, you come back in, you go out, you come back in. No. Especially for people who are not experienced. Okay. I'm a juggler, man. I've been into 15 different cryptos in past, I would say, 2 months. But I have the capacity to chew a dip. If you switch between 15, 20 cryptos, you got to get burned. Once or twice, you're going to get burned. Okay? And you have to accept the fact that it's okay to get burned. But that's how my portfolio is up. I could have been sitting in one of these big boys, but I'm trading shitcoins right now. Okay? And making money. Right now, see, there is one. I was talking to one of my Patreon. That thing don't even have a website that opens in United States. It's banned. That website is banned in the United States. But I was like, man, I'm gonna put 60 grand in it because I think it's gonna 7x. I love the chart. I love the chart. I'm taking a risk, but I wouldn't advise that to anybody else. Not my friends, my Patreon, nobody. You know. I think it's an algorithm. Who puts the money into this crypto? How it's gonna pump? I don't know, but the chart tells me that that thing is gonna go not 100x. It's gonna go 200x to 400x. It's crazy, crazy. The market cap is only how much? 5 million, 5 million, or $10 million. It's gonna be crazy. So I just put money in it and let it ride. Okay, let it ride. Let's see. If it goes to zero, it goes to zero. I know, I'm an adult. I know what I'm doing. Ethan, thank you so much. Ethan, invest. By the way, guys, anybody who wants to learn, Ethan is awesome. Okay, he has his YouTube channel as well. He has promoted me a couple of times, and I respect him. Again, he's awesome. He's very transparent. When he talks, I can see in his eyes, man. I can judge character. He looks like a good guy. Okay, Ethan. And I don't think he has... I think he has good for people. What he's doing on his channel is fabulous. Okay, so follow him. Ethan is amazing. Thank you, Ethan, for, giving me a shout out. Hello, Shray. Just joined the Patreon yesterday. Glad to be able to catch you live and loving the prices I got in. Thanks for all what you do. Sure, brother. Welcome. Akim, you think CPI meeting will be the catalyst to... Man, I don't worry about the news. Again, the news always gets associated with the charts. Arger. Yes. Okay, I'll give it to you. Okay, it's Arger. AUGUR. Okay, very risky coin. Very risky. Super, super risky. That thing, if Kraken delist it, it'll go to zero. Okay? It'll go to zero. So, Shray, you're awesome. So glad to catch you live. Be like a pump. Hey, what about AVT? I love AVT, man. AVT hasn't got affected. Look at this. AVT is right where it was. I scribbled a couple of days ago. I was live and I scribbled this. Right. AVT is going to $20, man. Between $17 to $20. This is where it's going. This is where it calms down. Okay. I have all the levels. I have bigger levels. AVT is gonna do amazing this run, but it's gonna crash. It's gonna crash really, really bad. Okay, this is a small cap. When a small cap crashes, it's gonna crash 70 to 80% in a bull market. Yes, in a bull market, 70 to 80%, and it's gonna be bad. It's going to be bad. So you need to know which coins to be in, and when to de-risk, when to switch coins, which coin to switch. Okay, I'm not God, man. I just spend a lot of time, in front of charts. I've been up since 3:30 in the morning until now, constantly. It's 8 o'clock. Constantly glued in front of my computer, just working. In between, I just took calls from my Patreon. That's it. And I haven't, man, I even didn't go for a walk today. I was just working, constant. Bitcoin Baijan, thank you, brother. Thank you for the $20. You are the best, Ray. Can we please look at COQ? COQ, Ethan, thanks so much, Ray. Ethan, you're awesome, man. Thank you, brother. Raj Patel, Digibyte still looks good. I love Digibyte. It's good. Theta, give some price predictions about T-Fuel and Theta. Man, Theta, my top for Theta is between $30 to $45. This is where I would, I'm not even looking at Theta. I have my Theta that is just, in my wallet. I don't even look. I was just talking to one of my buddies today. I was like, man, there's no point in long-term cryptos. I play with certain amount of money of my portfolio. I play with. Rest, you don't touch. You never touch. You don't want to pay capital gains. I'm not an accountant, man. You do you. But, long term, you don't even touch that. I have, this thing is fun for me, like a video game. It just, I enjoy doing that, but it's very risky. If you want to follow that path, then be aware it's very risky. Okay, trading. But the ideal thing would be stick to, only trade with 10% of your capital, maybe 20%. Rest, have it in a blue chip, especially high net worth individuals. Okay. Low, if you're brokey, if I was brokey too, right? If you're $10,000, man, I would pick one of the meme coins, like Dogelon Mars or something like that, and go all in, ride or die. If you're lucky, you may get a 50x, 20x. That's, you can't chart a meme coin, right? But that's your ticket to, crazy money. If it's $10,000, then I would put it in a meme coin. Look at, I think there's one meme coin called Balls, BALLZ, Balls. I think the market cap is not that much, but you have to buy it on MEXC. Balls looks good, so Balls could explode. Dogelon Mars, I like Dogelon Mars. But I wouldn't get on a meme coin right now. I see Floki coming down considerably. I see Shiba Inu coming down. So I think meme coins are going to slow down a little bit now. Especially because I looked at the chart of Shiba Inu, and that does not look good. See, it came down. That day I was, I think, live. No, I wasn't live. I was on a video call with my Patreon. And yeah, he sold right here. Man, I forgot to I have to go pick up my daughter. Oh, damn it. Yes. I'm sorry, I forgot. I'll come pick you up. No, I'm live right now, okay? Well, if you want me to come later, it's fine. Okay? Okay, have fun then. I'll pick you up in another 20 minutes, all right? Okay, bye. Bye. Yeah, she was at the birthday party. Yeah. Dad duty. I'm a single father, man. My wife passed away. So, yeah. Mother, father, everything. My whole family's with me. So it's not like that, oh, I'm that perfect dad. I try. Okay. Hey, bro. Thanks for coming live. Judd B. Julio. Shray rocks. Thank you, brother. Okay. So what is Bitcoin doing right now? 62.7 as we speak. As we speak. Yeah, I don't think this is it. This was the end of this drop. 61,600. That was the end of this drop. And I think the next high will be 77. It's going to take some time to get there. We have this iffy period where you're not going to know that are we going to go drop or is it going to be up? It's going to be very tumultuous, okay? B, get ready. It'll be a roller coaster ride. Roller coaster ride for even altcoins. Because some altcoins are going to go 20x. 20x. It's going to be crazy. So you might see a wick go down like 20-30% and then zoop goes up, okay? So I'm going to put one altcoin that I really like, that I think is going to go between 15x to 20x between now and May. I'm going to put it on the Patreon. Okay? I'll put it on the Patreon probably tonight. Okay? Guys, I think... COQ. COQ. Okay. I'll look it up. Bitcoin Baijan. Is that it? Bro, I don't have the chart here. Oh, Inu. I got it. Where do you find these coins, man? What's the market cap for this coin? I like it, man. I like it. Coming back for a retest. It could come back down to 786, okay? Before it moons. Before it moons, it could come back down to this level. Right here. Give a kiss. Before it moons. Looks like it could stop here at, you know, pause a little bit at 2618 right here. So that would be, as of now, yeah, 10x. But first, it could come back down to this level, okay? It'll be tough for it to break 618. If it breaks 618, and this thing is going to moon, man, to this level. I don't know what the market cap for this coin is. Let's see. $268 million. Yeah, if you are able to pass 618, bro, this thing's gonna moon. Okay. But I don't have much chart history. This is 4 hours chart, right? So when you look at daily, very little chart history. So me, I don't get into new coins like that because very scary for me to get into something like that. So by April, May, this could 10x. Yes. April, May, yeah. First week of May, it is possible this thing could 10x. Okay. Might come back down, jerk you around, goes to 618, waste some time, and then goes to this level. Okay. Okay, I gotta go pick my daughter up in a little bit. TT, shitcoin specialist reporting for duty. You're crazy, man. But yeah, man, I'm not worried about this dip at all. I was buying like crazy. This is the last opportunity, last opportunity, especially Bitcoin Cash. Man, look at this. Bitcoin Cash is so low. $360 Bitcoin Cash. You don't know how precious. You will long, you will pray to God. You'll be like, God, please give me a dip. And you will not get it. When the bull market resumes, the total, I tell people, the real bull market, when it comes, it'll be only for 90 days. All this wait for 3 years, 4 years of wait is only for 90 days. things will not stop. They will just keep on going up for 90 days. 90 days. In between, whatever happens, you know, is just to jerk you around. I'll give you, for an example, Dogecoin. Look at Dogecoin. What do I expect with Dogecoin? Oh, it looks ugly right now, but I expect Dogecoin to recover. Pretty quickly, okay? You see this? Right now, looks bad, right? But I do expect Dogecoin to recover. I would get bearish once it hits between 28 to 27, 28 to 30 cents. This is the level, 28 to 30 cents. This is where I would get cautious for Dogecoin. 27 to 30 cents. 30 cents level. This is where I would get cautious. But until then, I expect Dogecoin to recover pretty fast. Go back up to at least 16 cents pretty soon. Go back to 16 cents. Come back down. Go back up to 18, 19 cents. Come back down to again 15 to 14 cents. And then go back up like that. And from here, you get a smack back down to probably 15 cents. That's what I expect. Okay, for Doge. So I'm not worried right now. It's going to consolidate, you know, on the sideways before it reaches. So we have all this time. We have until May. They have a saying in stock market, sell in May and go away. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to, you know, take some profit in May and go away. I'm going to go probably 10, 15 days vacation. All right. Not worry about it, because after that, I expect crypto to slow down. A boring phase will come. May, June should be a really boring period. When I say boring, that means it's going to go down, because it's not going to go down on one shot right away. It's going to be a slow death. Okay, you won't even realize that the crash has started, and you know, you think it's a small dip and we are going up. No. And it'll dip and it'll keep on dipping, and your altcoin will lose 70 to 80% of its value. And that'll happen, okay? But when, nobody knows. I'm just expecting, you know, timing could change. But I'll keep you posted, all right? Especially my Patreons. All right, I'll see you guys. See you guys. No gays. See you guys. Okay, later. Hey, brother. BCH, man, I'm not worried. BCH is best. Later, guys. Make sure to hit that like. Okay? I'm going to have a few beers later, you know, in the night. So if I feel like going live, I might come, okay? All right, later. Have a good one.